Hello everyone, let me introduce you to the MC4 photovoltaic connector. How do solar panels connect to photovoltaic cables? How do photovoltaic cables of multiple solar panels connect to the inverter? After all, the inverter has only one photovoltaic access segment. I can tell you that it is achieved through a MC4 photovoltaic connector. MC4 connectors are divided into two types, 1000 VDC and 1500 VDC for grid-connected solar systems because the maximum PV input voltage can reach 1000 VDC, 1500 VDC MC4 connectors will be selected for off-grid solar systems. The maximum photovoltaic input is general 500 VDC, so 1000 VDC MC4 connectors will be selected. MC4 is composed of a pair of connectors, male plug and female plug. There is also a plug connected to the photovoltaic cable. Connection method. First, connect the inner cord to the photovoltaic cable respectively. Then connect them to the male and female plugs of MC4 respectively. After connecting the male and female plugs, you can use them. Finally, hide it under the solar panel and try to avoid sun and rain to extend its life. If you want to know more, please call us. Thank you.